Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Flip Essential and I want to show you how easy you can power on and power off this speaker. So take a look. Currently the speaker is turned on. As you can see also right here on the Bluetooth list, I'm connected with my speaker. So to power off, you have to click once on this power button, just like that. And to power on back, just click once, one more time. And after a few moments, the Bluetooth connection will be back. So that's how we can power on or power off this speaker, JBL Flip Essential. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.